Hello everyone, I am back with another new video on a Guidepad Academy. I hope you are all doing very well. If you are the one who really wanted to solve the real world problem with a cutting edge new technology and cutting edge solution, then you are in a right video guys. In today's video, I am going to tell you that Google's internship opportunity 2025, that is the specially the students research opportunity. Watch this video till the end and you will be a get to know how to apply for this internship, what is the criteria, what is the benefit and which department you are going to work with a Google. But before starting the video, make sure that you subscribe our YouTube channel, click on that bell icon so you will be never miss any update from us side. So let's get start. Firstly, we will be see that average pay salary for the intern in a Google. If we see closely, you are getting to chance to earn between a 4 lakh to a 13.7 lakh per year. And if we talk about the month pay, you will be get a chance to paid up to a 13k to a 1 lakh per month. If we talk about the internship program, firstly we will be see in which area you are going to work with a Google and what is your roles and responsibility. In this internship, you will be get a chance to work as a researcher for a Google. You will be get a chance to participate in a research project focused on developing the solution for the real world and large scale problem. So you are going to be a work with the researcher who are really working on the real world problem and solving the large scale problem also. You are getting chance to work on research on the Google DeepMind technology, Google Research Technology, Google Cloud Technology and much more. By enrolling this internship, you will be get a chance to know how to optimize the algorithm, how the AI system is a work actually, and how we write the sustainable code by using the top edge AI technologies. So you will be get a chance to work on AI technologies and research on different AI technologies during this internship program. If we talk about the responsibility, your responsibility is that you should have to be develop the solution for the real world and large scale problem by using these AI technologies and also by conducting the research. If we talk about the location is a Bangalore, Karnataka, and last date of application is 8 May 2025. So you should have to be apply before the 8 May 2025. We have only 2 days, guys. So go check the links in the description, click on that link and apply as soon as possible. Now we will move towards the minimum qualification area. For this internship, you should have to be enrolled in a PhD, Master of Bachelor program in a computer science or any relative field. It means that if you are a graduate, postgraduate or PhD holder, you can easily apply for this internship, guys. And another one is that you should have to be experienced in one of these computer science technologies, that is the neural language understanding, human computer interaction, computer vision, machine learning, deep learning, algorithm foundation of optimization, quantum information science, data science, software engineering or similar areas. It means that you should have to be a one AI skill, particularly in a neural network, machine learning, deep learning, algorithm foundation and architecture and optimization. If we talk about the preferred qualification, for that you should have to be enrolled the full-time degree program. For this you should have to be a Indian citizen and also you should have to be attend the degree program in India. And if you have a experience in a researcher as an intern as a full time or a job, it will be beneficial during the selection process. Also if you are experience of contributing the research community and also you know the little bit knowledge of the how to publish the research journals, how to attend the conferences, this is the very good for your selection process. And also you should have to be good in one or a more general purpose programming language, that is the C, CPP, Python, Java or JavaScript. So this is a very good opportunity, guys, from Google. Right now you will be get a chance to work in Google, in particularly the Bangalore office under the top researcher, which is actually work for the Google. Just apply for this internship, guys. This is a very good opportunity. Don't miss this opportunity. We have only 2 days left. For apply this internship, just click on apply button You will be redirected to this page just to fill some basic details, your phone number and your resume, and submit and continue for your job application. So this is all for the today's video. I hope you find this video very useful and helpful. Share this video with your friends, family and colleagues and students who really want to start their career as soon as possible. And comment in below if you will be face any problem during the application process or if you have any query. Meet you on the next video. Till keep learning and keep growing. Thanks for watching.